What's going on, everyone? Angelisa here, and I'm on day 10. Oh my gosh, we're here. Day 10, 20 more days to go on the 30-day static balance dirt bike challenge. It's raining, it snowed, and I can't find my shovel. So today is going to be, I think, a bit of a, what's the word? Today's going to be a bit of a cheat just because there's traction, there's snow, and also I have to put my bike closer to the wall here because there's a hump of snow. And like I said, I just don't have my shovel, so I'm not going to be able to clear it out just for this challenge. But you know what? We're here, so let's go. So as you can see, I can't even put my bike straight. Let's see if I can back this up. But if I back it up, I am on that hump, and then my bike just wants to roll forward. So I'm just going to static balance today with my tire pretty much locked in. And yeah. So a bit of an easier challenge for me today, which is a-okay. Yesterday I struggled. If you watched day 9. Oh, the rain. Ain't she lovely? I'm just getting dripped on by the roof here. That's okay. So my bar is completely locked, but if I do feel like I'm going to go sideways, at least I can turn it just a little bit to save it. And while we're here, I'll see if I can let go both hands. There we go. I don't think I'm going to last very long. I am getting rained on. This is crazy. All right, let's get that foot up onto the seat. Oh, and I'm falling. Woo! Let's do that again. Woo! Whew. Trying to get that other foot on there is quite challenging when it's kind of uneven ground. Let's get it into some snow here. Oh, arms. So me and a couple gal pals, we are planning our first dirt bike ride of the year, which hopefully is going to be the end of January. And then our annual dirt bike trip, which I'm very excited about. Hopefully the static balance will come into use in the trails. And maybe I'll ride in my CKX gear. What do you guys think? Should I? Now, I don't think it'll be cold by any means, but I do like to be warm. And Actually, last time when we were in Sunshine Coast, which was in February, it wasn't that extremely cold. I think it was more of our hands getting really cold, but the rest of our body was pretty good. Okay. Release the arms. For our annual, our second girls dirt bike trip that's happening in February, we're debating either the Sunshine Coast again, which we did last year. You guys can check out that video over here if you haven't seen it yet, or we might head over to the island. Now, we don't know any of the trails over on the island, Vancouver Island, so if you guys are from there, let me know. If you want to tag up, also let me know. Oh, my hands. They are cold, my hands. All right, guys, my watch just went off. It has been 15 minutes. It's been a slice. Tomorrow, day 11, you know where to catch me? Over here. Same, well, I was going to say same time, but to be honest, I do these challenges whatever time of the day I can get to them. So today is 4:30. I'll be uploading this video tomorrow with actually day 11. So I'll catch you guys day 11, which is tomorrow. Oh, and I saved it. No! Okay, bye, guys. Hey, hi, and hello, Angelisa here, and we are on day 11 of the 30-day static balance challenge. I am so excited for this, but I'm not. It's raining. But you know what? As much as again, I didn't really want to come out this morning, I thought it's better to come outside, even though I walk every single day. Let's just get this done. I'm going to feel so much better that I did it. And I'm just getting that much further to my goals. So if you're on your dirt bike, let's go and start balancing. All right. So I still haven't shoveled my little area, as you can see. So once again, it's a little bit easier to get up just because I have more grip. And I would say my bike is still kind of in the snow against the tires. So it's just allowing me, I guess, it's just giving me more of a sturdy balance, if you will. And now that we're here, let's see if I can do this. Yeah. No hands. Standing on my seat. Incredible. Now, I'm only able to do this because there is snow. Okay? It's helping sturdy up my bike. No, I don't have rocks around it. It's just the snow and the slush. It is raining. I have grip. So, again, it's a bit of a cheat day, but that's okay. That's still balance of me getting up. Let's try this with my tire straight. It's as if, like, as soon as I straighten my right knee, all goes to shit with the straight tire. Tapping my foot down to get back up. Whew. See, it's harder with a straight tire. So still, even though there's traction and there's snow around, to give your bike a little bit more help to get up, it's still challenging no matter the tire placement. So if you're still coming up with your tire either fully locked or a little bit locked, you're still being challenged to balance. All right. So we're gonna switch it to the front. Straight tire focus. Go. I'm really trying to focus on weighting my bars when I have the straight tire. And it's really hard. It's very challenging finding that balance and the equal pressure of within your bars and your arms. And I find when I do that, my arms get very tired. I did do a chest and back workout, so naturally my arms are gonna feel it. Now, I don't want you guys to feel that you have to be standing on your seat. If that's a goal for you to static balance, amazing. But just because you see me doing it, just know that I dedicated so much time over the summer of getting to that. And I had more ground to play around on, meaning I had slopes that I could work on. I had flat ground, I had cement, and I had gravel. I will compile all my footage when I'm done this 30-day challenge just to see, where I got. But yeah, day 11, you guys. Just getting out here is more than half the battle, and I am so proud of you if you're out here doing it with me. I am very proud of myself. It's so easy to give up. It is so easy to turn a blind eye and just say, I'll do it later. I'll do it tomorrow. Oh my gosh, if I didn't publicly say that I was going to do a 30-day challenge, I don't think I'd be here today. So let's be honest. So thanks to you guys over on YouTube and TikTok for the encouragement and for holding me accountable. This is what I needed. So this is why I love these platforms. One, it challenges me. I get to express myself. And this is purely for entertainment, maybe for you, but for me, I just love having fun and, again, love challenges. So if you guys have any questions at all on how to even get started on static balances, leave them in the comments below. I would love to start up a conversation. And really, it's all about just pulling your bike out and start. It's going to be frustrating. I know the first day when I tried it, which was many years ago, well, I shouldn't say many, it was probably 4 years ago, I cried. And even in the summer when I couldn't get it, when I found it so challenging, I cried. And I thought, how is it possible that people can stand here on their bike? I couldn't get it. And you know what? I learned some tricks and tips along the way. I tried different types of surfaces, ground levels, and then it all made sense. So it takes time and it takes patience, consistency, and challenging yourself to go through those emotions. Okay? So that's my advice. It's one day at a time, and don't beat yourself up. You're going to have your good days, you're going to have your bad days. We all go through them. And this progression is not for you guys. This progression is for myself. I want to better myself in my riding, in my techniques and skills. And by doing so, I think the static balance is going to get me there. If not, whatever. At least I gave it a try and I'm working on skills. Look at that. I thought about hopping my bike and then I fell because I lost my concentration and my focus. And I thought, oh, I want to do something. So I'm going to start hopping for a little bit here. I have a few more minutes left. Again, not looking for perfection. I'm looking for consistency. Woo, my tank is falling down. And if you made it all the way to the end of this video, I want to give a huge shout out to CKX KIMPEX for hooking me up. I wouldn't be out here without their gear. As you can see, I've been using their mono suits every single day to do these challenges. They are slightly insulated, waterproof, and I'm able to sit out here all day. Well, I shouldn't say all day, but I walk in these suits to the bus stop and back. I go for walks every single day. And now I'm doing these challenges standing out here in the rain for the past 11 days straight. And I go sledding in them, which they're really meant for sledding. But since I haven't been able to get out that much, why not put them to use? All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching and joining me on today's static balance, which is day 11. And I'll catch you tomorrow on day 12. Until next time, keep killing it safely. And I will see you on the next upload. Bye.